Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. So for today's video, guys, we are going to be doing our Allure beauty box unboxing for the month of July. If that's something you're into, then just go ahead and keep on watching. And of course, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe down below so you can be part of my YouTube familia. And let's go ahead and get started. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and jump right in. I've been having this little box in my shelf sitting there for about 4 days, so I finally have some downtime to finally get to it and do this flick for you guys. So of course it has a little pamphlet for the month, very much Americana style, and it does have the information of all of the little goodies that we're getting in today's box, but I'm gonna set that aside. All right guys, so let's go ahead and jump right in. Another little brochure. Okay, so this is what the box looks like when you first initially get it. And I do see something from LYS, very luxe brand. So this one is going to be the Blur Primer, and it's just gonna help with the base. And it's supposed to blur out. So here it is. Okay, yes, I do remember this. Okay, so I do remember this product. It does have like some little specks of gold in there. Actually, let me just go ahead and put some on my hand, see if it shows up. But it does have like some really nice little tiny itty bitty little gold specks. And this is what it looks like. I'm not sure if you guys could see it or not. Maybe if the line shines through it. But that's pretty much what it looks like. The texture is kind of like silicone-y, kind of like, it kind of reminds me of like the Smashbox primer. That's kind of what it feels like, but it kind of has like a little like a velvety feel to it afterwards. And I think you guys could see the sparkles. It has like very tiny little shimmers of gold on it. So yeah, once you blend this out, this is going to be very nice and velvety. So it's a really nice face primer. I'm pretty sure this is going to be more of like a higher price item, but they did give us like a deluxe size to try it out, which is I think it's a very good amount of product to have a good feel for what it is if you want to purchase the full size. So that's what the first product is. I'm excited to have that. Okay, coming in next, we got some Tula that can be found at Sephora. So Tula Skincare, and this is the Glow Plus Get It. This is a cooling and brightening eye balm. I remember having a pink one of these, and it kind of gave me like the same effect. It's like a balm, and you just kind of put it in your eye, and it just like is supposed to brighten. I don't remember this exact one, but it's pretty much the exact same thing. It's an eye balm. I'm gonna actually give it a little swatchy swatch. Oh yes. Okay, yeah, so it's very cooling at the first touch. So here it is, and it kind of feels like icy cool, but yeah, as soon as you put it on, you definitely feel the cool sensation. So it's going to be a very nice cooling balm from Tula. I believe this is full size. My other one was about the same size, so I believe these are full size. So we got a eye balm. All right, up next we got this Water Lily PHA. This is a pore refining exfoliator. So I hope that it has like little micro beads to exfoliate. Let's try it out. It does have a little seal to it, but I am going to use this, so I'm going to open it up. I want to see what the texture of it is. Usually my exfoliants go straight into my shower because I like to exfoliate my face while I'm in there. So let's see. So it's kind of like a gel texture. Here it is. Let's see. Oh yeah, it does. Okay, so it does have these very little tiny fine little micro exfoliant little beads. So yeah, it's gonna leave your skin really nice, soft and smooth. That's what I love. It just takes off all of the dead skin, and it just leaves your skin feeling so soft and smooth. So yeah, this is gonna go straight up in my shower. I'm actually almost all out of my exfoliant. I'm currently using the Verse exfoliant, and I really love that one too. So we got an exfoliant, which is skincare. Eye balm is a skincare, and then I guess this one I would consider it like a makeup product before applying my full face of foundation. Okay, so up next, guys, we got the Better Not Younger Wake Up Call. This is the volumizing conditioner. I actually have partnered with Better Not Younger before in the past, and I have tried out their shampoo and their conditioner, which I really love. And I really enjoy. Oh, okay, so they only sent us the conditioner, not the shampoo. But yeah, either which way, it's a really good one. This is also going to go in my shower. Mine was kind of like already open, and it looks like it was kind of spilling a little. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, this is going to go straight up in the shower. I really like their texturizing spray. If you haven't tried that, it works really good. But we got a hair conditioner. That's also going to go in my shower. And then up next, we got this right here. This is by Biro. I'm not sure how you say this brand, but it's a golden carrot overnight relief mask. So it says to apply generously onto a clean face, neck, avoiding the eyes, and leave it overnight. So a overnight mask. I'm curious if it's orange inside, because I thought I said carrot. Is it orange inside? I'm just gonna open it. It's a very small deluxe size. Okay, maybe it's not orange. Okay, but here it is. This is the product. It's a very tiny, so it's probably gonna be good like on the go or just like for a one-time use. Ooh, it feels very good and moisturizing onto the skin. Doesn't smell like anything, but it is a overnight mask. It smells pretty good, and it feels kind of good too. Like it feels good on the skin. So that's a new product that I've never ever tried, or a brand that I'm not familiar with. But onto our last product, guys. Here it is. And this is a Rum Brun Arrow Clay and Perfume oil. Okay, so this is going to be some kind of a fragrance, I think. Perfumery, yeah, right? That's a fragrance. Parfum. Okay, let me take it out of the box, guys, so we can see what it is. Ta-da! Here it is. It's a little one. Okay, so here it is, and let's give it a little sniff. Oh my god, I kind of like this. I feel like this could be very unisex. It smells so good. It kind of smells like a pear. I don't know, now it's starting to smell a little different. I kind of feel like it smells like fruity, but now that it's on me, it kind of smells like a clean fragrance. Yeah, like not a floral, but a fruity, clean, crisp fragrance. And I definitely feel like this fragrance could be unisex. In my opinion, I feel like it definitely could go both ways, either more feminine and kind of in between masculine. I don't know. It smells very good. I am going to put this to use, and it's like an oil fragrance, so it's going to last a while. Usually they do, and I love that. Okay, guys, so let's go ahead and recap today's Allure Beauty Box goodies. So first off, we got an oil perfume roller balm. We got a carrot night mask. We got the Better Not Younger hair conditioning. We also did get a Tula skincare eye balm. We also did get the YSL blurring primer, and we also got a exfoliator for the face. Yeah, I think that was it. Yep, that was it, guys. I think this was a good box. It wasn't like that bad. I'm excited for that LYS primer because I really liked the texture of it, how velvety soft it felt afterwards. So I'm excited to use this on my next application, a full face of application. Yeah, I'm really excited to try this out. I'm excited about that fragrance. It smells like something I would normally not pick up, but I'm glad that I have it. And yeah, I'm excited to have this fragrance. And skincare is okay. It's not my favorite. I love me my makeup products and I love me my perfume stuff. But the box wasn't that bad. I'm familiar with To The People. This conditioner is great. We got a little bit of hair care. We got a little bit of skincare. We got a little bit of fragrance. And yeah, guys, that was it. I hope that you guys liked my video. If you did, please make sure to leave your girl a big thumbs up, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I hope to see you guys on my next video. Bye.